The question may be, why are we relocating this building? And the short answer is we want to save it. The reason that we want to save it is that this building is of significant historical value. In a place that has developed as rapidly as Wyndham, Raymond, Casco, we have an existing mid-19th century blacksmith shop that has been virtually untouched since probably the 1940s, when it was still operating. And inside this building was a forge that was documented in a silent movie that appeared in 1922 with Bill Watkins, the known blacksmith who operated this smithy, which makes it of great historical value because we have all this provenance. You know, these kind of trades buildings are few and far between in the state of Maine in general. So, and this is probably one of the earliest ones that I've seen. In addition to preserving the structure, it is not the goal of the Historical Society to solely move it, set it up, and to look at it. This will be a place for some of that know-how related to metalwork will continue on into the 21st century. So the plan is to provide instruction in blacksmithing, and this is something that is a phenomenon right now in our culture. People are hearkening back to trades and crafts from the past, and blacksmithing especially, and knife making and all kinds of metalwork is become popular once again through mass media and television. There are cable network shows about people making things themselves from scratch. There is a recent record of providing blacksmithing workshops in this area, and they were very popular. So the Historical Society would like to get in on that with providing ways to share these traditional arts with the communities in the area.